Verisurf 2026 introduces a new dynamic path editing tool that lets you fine-tune your CMM inspection paths with total control. Since the introduction of the Automate module in Verisurf X8, Verisurf has delivered interactive path generation tools across all feature types, from standard probing paths to grids, curves, and dynamic points used in profile of a surface, profile of a line, and user-defined constructive objects. With Verisurf 2026, dynamic path editing enables users to modify individual points within a path interactively, giving full control over location, order, and strategy, all within the graphical interface. Points can be dragged anywhere on the model for grid inspection, or they can be restricted to the parent surface, and changes to the path can be undone with the press of a key. Probe hits can also be reordered, added, and deleted within the path. Dynamic path editing lets you create inspection paths for parts with unique access limitations, construct features and analyses on parts with variable geometry, and avoid collisions with fixturing and manufacturing aids during in-process inspection. This new tool is available for 3 and 5 axis paths, as well as tactile scanners. With Verisurf 2026, you can create inspection paths quickly and easily for even the most challenging parts.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.